Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I built that house right there in the 70s, about 1975. We lived in it for a while until I went busted farming. I had that house. I built a metal building right there that the storm blew the front off. And Jimmy Carter put me out of business farming. And I moved into a trailer out there behind that house right there, and I built that house in the mid-80s. I lost that brick house farming. I built that house in the mid-80s. We went out back, built us a shed, and I want you to look at there. It's what I was filming right there, is a snowman. They got that snowman all fixed up. Somebody got more energy than I got. Snowman. We had plenty of snow to build one. We built one back there when we was in the brick house with the kids one time in about 76, 77. And I had to go around and shovel up snow out of the shaded areas to build our kids a snowman. We coming up on the gate. We live in a gated community. Them automatic gates are the greatest things in the world. Come up here to work on the gate, snow piled up, had to dig it off. Fooled around, got stuck right there in the snow, but I got out. I kept rocking back and forth till I got it out. So we headed back up the lane to the house. We live back here in the woods on the back side of 20 acres. Down here in Northwest Florida, that's what it's like. It's beautiful. Animal tracks everywhere. You don't know where all the animals walk, where they're walking and stuff.